In this video, we listed the 5 best Quiet Treadmill that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Soul Fitness Treadmill. The Soul F80 treadmill is a high-performance exercise machine designed for home use, offering a suitable option for various fitness levels. Priced starting at $1,899.99, it features a robust 3.5 HP motor, a generous 22-inch by 60-inch running surface, and supports users weighing up to 350 pounds. The treadmill provides an incline range of 0 to 15% and a speed range of 0.5 to 12 miles per hour, catering to diverse workout routines. With multiple built-in workout programs, including HIIT and strength training, users can customize their fitness experiences effectively. An integrated Bluetooth system allows for connectivity with speakers and fitness apps, further enhancing motivation through a vibrant 10.1-inch touch screen display that also offers wireless charging capabilities. Additionally, its foldable design facilitates easy storage, making it an ideal choice for those with limited space. Number 2. NordicTrack T Series. The NordicTrack T Series offers a range of treadmills designed for physical fitness and exercise, featuring 6 models with varying options and price points, starting from $587.02 for the T Series 10 to $2,001.34 for the T Series 8.5S. Each treadmill is crafted from durable aluminum and boasts a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour, powered by a robust 3 to 3.6 horsepower motor, ensuring challenging workouts for adults. Key features include a foldable design for easy storage, access to live and on-demand global workouts led by elite trainers, and a suite of essential components such as a running belt, safety key, LED display, and speed meter. The treadmills also come with lifetime coverage for the frame and motor, underscoring their durability and reliability for long-term use. Number 3. THERUN Incline Treadmill. The THERUN treadmill, designed for adults, combines functionality and durability with its sleek black and orange design. Measuring 60-inch DX30 WX51H and weighing 145 pounds, this treadmill features a powerful 3.5 HP motor that allows for quiet operation and speeds ranging from 0.6 to 10 miles per hour, accommodating users up to 300 pounds. Its spacious running area, measuring 47.2 inches by 17 inches, ensures a comfortable workout experience. The treadmill also offers a customizable incline of up to 15% across 15 levels, along with a 2-layer non-slip running deck equipped with 10 shock absorbers to minimize joint impact. Designed for convenience, it folds for easy storage and includes an intuitive digital LCD display that tracks essential workout metrics. With 18 preset programs and Bluetooth connectivity for fitness app integration, the THERUN treadmill is an excellent addition to any home gym, built from durable alloy steel and backed by a 1-year warranty. Number 4. WALKINGPAD Z1 Treadmill. The WALKINGPAD Z1 is a compact and innovative exercise solution designed for adults seeking low-impact workouts at home or in an office setting. With dimensions of 5.5-inch DX20.7, WX57H and a lightweight design of 23 kilograms, this foldable treadmill transforms into a space-saving footprint of just 0.16 for easy storage, equipped with portable wheels for convenience. It features a powerful yet ultra-quiet brushless motor that operates below 40 dB, ensuring a peaceful workout experience while efficiently managing energy consumption. The advanced 4-layer shock-absorbing and anti-slip running belt offers exceptional stability and cushioning, making it gentle on joints. Users can customize their workout with an LED display that tracks speed, distance, time, and calories, while a remote control allows for easy adjustments of speed levels from 1 to 4.0 miles per hour, catering to individual fitness goals. Number 5. Lifepro Smallest Treadmill. The Lifepro Pacer Mini Small Walking Pad is a modern, compact underdesk treadmill designed to enhance your fitness routine while working. Measuring 32.7-inch DX25 WX41H and weighing 46 pounds, it boasts a sleek black stainless steel design with an adjustable handlebar for added stability and balance. With a maximum speed of 3 miles per hour and a 7-degree incline, users can elevate their workouts and stimulate metabolism effectively, making it ideal for adults looking to integrate exercise into their daily activities. This walking pad also features an adjustable speed setting and a user-friendly display panel to track calories burned, speed, and distance. Its easy storage capabilities, thanks to a foldable design and built-in wheels, ensure effortless portability and convenience, making it the perfect solution for those aiming to stay active in a busy lifestyle. A user manual is included to provide guidance.